Hi everyone, my name Andrei Bachmaga. I'm a dental technician with over 12 years of dental digital workflow experience. In this video, we'll look at CBCT workflow for TMG analysis at temporary stage. First clinical case. Scans were taken using Medit scanner. Bite position in occlusion. In posterior area we have PMMA bridges and put composite markers in symmetrical position for bridges and also put them in anterior area. Important, we need to put composite on upper and on the lower jaws. Second case, scanned using tree-shape trios. Bite scans in centric relationship position. Screw retained full arch PMMA bridges. The protocol is the same. In this case, I like the size of composite markers, but not their number. I would add one more on each sides. As in all other cases, manual control of bite scans. For the first case, looks good. For the second case, also looks good. Realign lower jaw scan to bite scans. Good quality of alignment. In this case, alignment less ideal, but still workable. Next step, we align scans to CBCT data using Exoplan software. On the screen, you can check alignment color map. Excellent alignment at composite markers and also in position of screw channels with composite. In this case, we see alignment of composite markers and also alignment of teeth. Once they have this clinical data, we can confidently use bone structure segmentations for positioning in virtual articulator. On this slide, original DICOM data saved in STL, combined with scans and mounted into a virtual articulator. On this slide, CBCT segmentation performed with AI algorithms. And on the next stage, we can do TMG analysis at the temporary prosthesis stage. Thank you for watching and see you in next videos. Bye.